So beautiful. Should we go on over? Okay, let me just grab my cards for a second. Let's go ahead and take a peek. This is a pie plate that actually is 9 inches, but the thing that I loved about this is a couple different things. The ruffled edges on the top, which will tell you how that helps, and then also the depth on this one. And I found out it's 2.5 inches deep, so you don't have your pie spilling out on one of those, you know, low kind of pie plates. Here's the colors. Let's show the colors down front. We'll show you here. This is the Woodland in the taupe. We have the Woodland in, is that the white? Yeah, that's white. And then the gray. I wasn't 100% sure if we called it white, but we did, and that's beautiful. So if you want the Woodland designs, there they are. Then we also have several different patterned ones. This is going to be your champagne stripe, and then below that is your silver stripe. Sorry, I didn't, there you go. And it's really, you can see it better from the bottom. Okay, there we go. Then we have the polka dots, the gray polka dot and the taupe polka dot. And then we have this holiday plaid, which is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So if you want that holiday plaid, you can. And there's one more. Just a minute. Here it is. Harvest plaid. So we're talking a harvest time. I mean, that's October and November. Actually, could have been used in September. That's the colors that are in the wreath on my front door right now. So that's why that's the harvest design. Tara Tescher, the designer of all of this Temp-tations bakeware, why did you feel like this was the things that this pie plate needed?
Well, it's so sweet, right? Pie plates to me are great for pies and things that you're baking, but I also use them as savory as well. And I'll do things like a shepherd's pie in there. I'll do things like a quiche, a veggie quiche in there, because I love the way that the stoneware the heat hugs the food. So you always get that beautiful, even heating. Yeah. Here I did a cornbread, and what I love about it, do you notice it actually like almost pulls itself already away from the sides of that? And there is the turnout. I literally just turned this out for the first time, hot out of the oven, and nothing is on the bottom. That's what we love. But look, even more so, you have that even heating that runs all the way around, no hot spots. So when you're baking and you're making things inside our beautiful stoneware, you can always expect that performance when you're cooking with Temp-tations.
Yeah, I love that. I was just going to show right here the quiche. There you go. You can make a quiche, you can make a, you know, frittata, whatever. And, oh, by the way, even when you just do the refrigerated rolls, they look so much better in here than in one of those little metal pans. You know what I mean. Ditch the metal and get these. It really makes such a big difference. And even just to show you, I mean, look at this. That is a smaller chicken, but you could have a bigger chicken in there without the veggies. I mean, and that is also beautiful. Okay, I want to go through the colors again because the colors, Woodland, of course, is going very quickly. Here are the 3 Woodland colors, and you can see it has the striation as if a tree had those rings. There's the taupe, the white, and the gray. And then we have a couple of their pattern ones. This is champagne stripe or silver stripe. Those are really pretty. I got to tell you, Tara, I had not seen those before. So those are very nice. Yeah, very like streamlined. And then here we have the polka dot in the gray or in the taupe. And then we have 2 holiday ones, which is going to be your holiday plaid with the red and green, or here it is in your harvest plaid. And you can see the difference in the colors right there. So the harvest and the holiday. You don't have to be a pie maker to want to be able to do this. Not at all.
And they coordinate back so beautifully with the Today's Special Value. The plaids go, of course, with our holiday collection. I have literally one of the 19-ounce from our Today's Special Value with that plaid pie plate. And look how cute. This is what we talk about Temp-tations being a family of colors, where you can see how all of these coordinate together with each other. And then, of course, that autumn plaid that we were talking about is perfect. We actually did a meal for 2. So you had the chicken. We did some sliced turkey breast and some of our veggies around that. Look how easy that is. Again, a lot of times we think of a pie dish. a lot of times you're paying that for a metal pie dish
Right.
that actually buckles in the oven. These are hand painted, hand applied, accented pieces of stoneware that are a dream to bake with.
No more coming in this year. So if you're going to
That's
get
correct.
these, you've got to get them now. The Woodland colors, I'll just show you really quickly. We've got the Woodland colors in gray, white, and taupe. Brand new today, we have the stripes, the champagne stripe, the silver stripe. We also have the polka dot, gray or taupe. And then we have the holiday ones, the holiday plaid or the harvest plaid, if you want to be able to get those. The price is really incredible. Get more than one, because you know you're going to need more than one. Okay, and then